Do you have an updated description on that guy?
We do. It's probably about in his 50s, black hair. I think he was sitting on the couch, so I did get a full description of him. That's what it looked like.
What it's not like. I'm sorry, so he was just on the couch, you guys walked in?
So I forced the door open, and then he was sitting on the couch in the living room.
Okay.
Basically, just like from here to where their squad car was. As soon as we opened the door, pointed his firearm by that.
Was it pistol?
Pistol.
Or what did he say to you guys?
Nothing.
He pointed at you.
Yeah. I forced the door, and then took like a couple steps in, and that's when.
Are you sure it's some
What's it?
Go confirm. Just make sure it's like instantly lit fire and make sure we're 100% sure. Hey, get down!
Left cross fire. Left cross. Left cross fire. Stay right there.
Stay where you at. Hey! Drop the fucking gun! You guys stay good. We're safe, we're good. Stay where you at. Make sure you're behind the shield. Did they fire you?
I fired.
He fired. He came out.
He came out and fired. I fired 2 shots.
Hey, get down on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Get down! Get up! I'm mag reloading. You're good. Come back out. Watch out, Cassie. Hey! Drop the fucking gun! We're not good, dude! Tell them shots fired. We don't have service in here.
Go back out.
Get outside and tell them, bro. Drop the fucking gun, dude! We don't want to hurt you. We want to help you out. Hey, we want to help you, bro.
Come out with nothing in your hand.
Cassie, just... Hey, get down. On the ground.
Where does she want me?
20 Nora, we don't have any kind of perimeter on this. We're holding the suspect's apartment door from the front.
2 o'clock, about a mile maneuvering, low level 800 indicated helicopter.
Able in the air is clear.
Able, go ahead.
We'll stay here at or below. All right, looks like we have, if where the officers are at, give me the next building. It looks like we're probably going to have some obvious signs of death. I have the male. The next come back around the orbit here. It's the building to the, I'll call it the south. I'll get you a better location here in a second.